1953 to 1957. He also known as the People President. He helped farmers, fought corruption, and defeated the Hawk Rebellion. Carlos P. Garcia, 1957 to 1961. He advocated the Filipino First policy, prioritizing Filipino businesses over foreign investors. Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. He changed our Independence Day from July 4 to June 12 and started land reform for farmers. Ferdinand Marcos Sr., 1965 to 1986. He built many roads and bridges but declared martial law. His rule ended after the EDSA People Power Revolution. Corazon Aquino, 1986 to 1992. The first woman president, she restored democracy and made the 1987 Constitution. Fidel V. Ramos, 1992 to 1998. He improved the economy and promoted the peace talk with rebel groups. Joseph Estrada, 1998 to 2001, also known for his slogan called "Era para sa mahirap." He helped the poor but was removed by EDSA. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001 to 2010. She strengthened the economy and improved transportation through the Strong Republic program. Benigno Aquino III, 2010 to 2016. He promoted the Al Matuwid, fought corruption, and signed a peace deal with the MILF. Rodrigo Roa Duterte, 2016 to 2022. Also known for his Build program, free college education, and universal healthcare. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. focuses on economic recovery, agriculture, technology, and national unity.